Hello, good morning, children. Welcome back to the new session. Let us continue the grammar lesson tenses. Today's concept is future continuous tense. Here we can make sentences in future continuous tense. Subject plus helping verb plus main verb. This is formula. In future continuous tense, we use ing form. This tense is used to refer the actions which will be in progress. Right? Let us make affirmative sentences. Subject plus helping verb plus main verb. Here we have the main verb speaking English. Let us use, instead of speaking English, playing cricket. Let us make sentences. I shall be playing cricket. We shall be playing cricket. You will be playing cricket. They will be playing cricket. He will be playing cricket. She will be playing cricket. It will be playing cricket. This is how positive or affirmative sentences are made in future continuous tense. Next one, negative. Negative sentences. I will not be starting or playing cricket. He will not be starting. He will not be starting. She will not be starting. It will not be starting. We will not be starting. You will not be starting. They will not be starting. Here, will can be used for all the pronouns, but shall should not be used, right? I and we, first person singular and plural, pronouns will be having shall, and for the rest of the pronouns we have to use will. One more thing, please note, for the first person I and we can use anyone, shall or will, right? Next one, questions in future continuous tense. Questions in future continuous tense will be started with helping verbs. Will I be reading? Will you be reading? Will he be reading? Will she be reading? Will it be reading? Will you be reading? Will we be reading? Will they be reading? In the same manner, we can use all the other main verbs also, right? This is about the formation of questions in future continuous tense. Keywords, the adverbs which are used in future continuous tense. Tomorrow, next day, following day, or the day after, next, after, on Monday, so on. These are the adverbs which are used in future continuous tense. Following sentences using an appropriate simple present tense form. First question, these all are MCQs. First one, my sister dash in Malaysia. Option A, live. Option B, lives. Option C, is living. Next one, she dash with her left hand. Option A, write. Option B, writes. Option C, is writing. Next question, I dash what she wants. Option A, know not. Option B, do not know. Option C, does not know. Fourth question, he dash parties all the time. Option A, hold. Option B, holds. Option C, is holding. Next question, he dash his elders. Option A, respect. Option B, respects. Option C, is respecting. Next question, sixth one, besides literature, we dash history and civics. Option A, study. Option B, studies. Option C, are studying. Next one, birds dash in nests. Option A, live. Option B, lives. Option C, are living. Next one, she dash 3 jobs to support her family. Option A, work. Option B, works. Option C, is working. Next one, my daughter dash to play with her dolls? Option A, like. Option B, likes. Option C, is liking. Next one. He dashed the importance of working hard. Option A, understand, not. Option B, do not understand. Option C, does not understand. Next one. I dash all musical instruments. Option A, like. Option B, likes. Option C, am liking. Next one. Last question. There dash something between the wheels of the car. Option A is, option B has, option C are. These all are MCQs based on the grammar topic simple present tense. Answer these. If not, I will answer in the next session. Thank you. Have a nice day.